Chingak weight carrying. This sport originated in dairy farmers who needed to carry full milk churns. In this sport, competitors must have to carry two weights as far as they possibly can doing laps around a predetermined course. Material: Chingak cylindrical weights. Rules: competitors must carry one weight in each hand. It is forbidden to support the weights with any other part of the body. The weight of the Chingak weight depends on the competitors. Competitors may stop walking at any point and continue when they want, as long as they do not let the weights touch the floor. There is no time limit. The game ends when the competitors can no longer carry the weights. The person who completes the most laps before dropping the weights is the winner.